Hi there, my name is Eli Lamothe, and I work at Amgen in West Greenwich, Rhode Island. Amgen is one of the world's leading biotechnology companies, and I've been working here for a little over 5 years now as a process engineer. Now, as a process engineer, I really split my job responsibilities into two different categories. The first being supporting the commercial manufacturing facility. Now, what I mean by that is that Amgen in Rhode Island, we produce biologics for patients around the world, and it is a large-scale manufacturing facility. Now, in order to support the patients around the world, we have a majority of pieces of equipment that are used by the manufacturing staff in order to produce these biologics. So if there are any issues with the equipment on the floor, or if there is any process-related issues, one of my job responsibilities is to troubleshoot and support these various issues that the equipment may have, or what the process may have at any given time. And that is one real interesting part of my job that can really change from day to day because there is always something different happening on the floor. The second part of my job responsibility is to bring in and test out new equipment that will then be used to manufacture biologics. Now, this new equipment, it could be used for a new product that Amgen and Rhode Island may be producing, or it could be new equipment that will be used to further enhance the capacity of our facility in order to reach more patients around the world. Now, interestingly enough, I actually worked at Amgen as an intern when I was back studying at the University of Rhode Island as a mechanical engineer, and this was back in 2013. And after that internship, that was one of the things that really drove me to want to pursue a career at Amgen. Now, that was really twofold. The first being that working at Amgen is really a rewarding job. And this is due to the fact that when you work at Amgen, know that you are serving the patients around the world. We really have a positive impact on the lives as we are delivering biologics that are then furthering a positive outlook onto the patients around the world. One great example about this, and while it's not Amgen, is the COVID-19 vaccine that a couple of companies have been producing over the last few months. It is an amazing feat to see how these companies can then produce this vaccine and distribute it around the world in order to help save lives. And that is one of probably the most rewarding things about being able to work with Amgen, another biologic company, is that we have a direct impact on those patients' lives around us. The second part, and one of the things that I learned while I was an intern at Amgen, is really the great team dynamic. So not only am I able to come to site knowing that I am making a positive impact on patients' lives around the world, but also that I am working with a great team of highly intelligent people that I can continue to learn from every day, and I really enjoy being part of that team. So as I mentioned, I was an intern at Amgen back in 2013, and I studied at the University of Rhode Island. And one fun fact that I'd like to bring up is that I actually studied abroad in Germany for a year as part of the URI International Engineering Program. And while I was studying abroad, I was actually had the opportunity to work at the automaker Audi's headquarters in Ingolstadt. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you for letting me tell you a little bit about how I make a difference every day. Thanks.